What if a single powerful idea about AI could actually create an entire universe? Well, today we're going to dive into a really fascinating ecosystem that does exactly that. We're going to explore how one core philosophy can split into two completely different worlds, one built for business, and the other is built for the soul.
Everything, and I mean everything we're about to see, starts right here with this one sentence. This is the bedrock belief, the glue that holds this whole world together. See, the idea isn't about replacement, it's about elevation. And this concept is the launchpad for everything that comes next. So how does one little idea build a whole universe? Well, it splits into two totally separate missions. On one side, it's all about freeing businesses from those mundane, repetitive tasks that just slow them down. And on the other side, it's about freeing people, helping us explore our own creativity, our confidence, and our connections.
Okay, but before we jump into those two worlds, we kind of have to understand the engine that's powering both of them. To really get how they're connected, we've got to pop the hood and take a look at the shared tech and principles that make it all work.
So let's talk about the tech stack. This is basically the secret sauce, right? First, imagine an AI that can not only understand what you're saying, but can talk back with a totally human-like voice. That's where things like voice AI come in. Then you've got these smart agents, kind of like what ChatGPT can do, that can actually take action and make decisions for you. And finally, you need a command center to manage all the business stuff. It's this specific mix that lets them build these complex AI systems that can handle real-world work and do it seamlessly. But here's the thing. It's not just about the code, it's about the philosophy behind it. Just look at these principles. Voice-first design, that's what makes it all feel so human. And emotional intelligence as a feature, that's not some add-on, it's baked into the core of the system. And this idea right here, this blend of soulful storytelling with high-tech execution, that's what gives this whole ecosystem its really unique vibe. And boom, this slide just lays it all out perfectly. You've got these two massive pillars rising from that same foundation. Over on the left, there's Smart Optimize, super practical, fast, all about getting a return on investment for small businesses. Then on the right, Amara Collective, mystical, playful, and totally focused on personal depth. They feel like they're from different planets, but they're powered by the exact same engine.
All right, let's dive into that first pillar. This is the practical side of the universe, the one designed to be a straight-up powerhouse for small businesses. So what exactly is Smart Optimize? Honestly, think of it as a business in a box. The core promise really says it all. Let the AI run the front lines so the owners can go run their lives. It's all about automating the phone calls, the follow-ups, the appointments, all the stuff that frees up business owners to finally focus on the big picture.
And here's exactly how it delivers on that promise. This isn't just some vague idea, it's a whole suite of real concrete tools. We're talking automated answering services, AI agents that can qualify leads for you, set your appointments, and even help you with recruiting. It's a complete system designed to just take care of that day-to-day grind, all done efficiently and automatically.
Okay, so now let's completely switch gears. We're going to move to the other side of this universe and see how that same core technology gets applied in a way that's deeply personal, almost mystical. And this is Amara Collective. Its mission has nothing to do with business efficiency. It's all about human expansion. The goal here is to use AI as a kind of tool for your own personal growth, like a mirror that can help you find your voice, build up your confidence, and really deepen your connections with others. And the things they offer here are just incredibly creative. You've got voice games designed to improve your charisma by giving you a Riz score. You've got intimacy rituals and daily coaching sessions with different AI personas, and each one has its own unique personality, like Saphira, who's this playful muse, or Lyra, the strategic advisor. It's all about using AI to create these experiences that are playful, but also deep and genuinely transformative.
So we have this incredible duality, right? A super practical business engine on one side and a soulful personal guide on the other. And they're both built on the exact same foundation, which, kind of begs the question.
Who could possibly dream up two worlds that are so different and then actually build them from the same set of tools and principles? I mean, who is the mind at the very top of this pyramid? The architect behind it all is Michael Pierce, and his work just perfectly embodies the theme of this whole explainer.
His entire mission is to automate the ordinary so that people, whether they're in their business or in their personal lives, can go pursue the extraordinary. This isn't just a business plan for him, it's a deep personal philosophy.
And this is what's so critical to understand. To build something like this, you need a really rare blend of skills. I mean, look at this. You see the hardcore engineering stuff like agentic system design and automation architecture sitting right next to these creative and psychological skills like archetype modeling, emotional intelligence mapping, and brand storytelling. It's that fusion of left brain and right brain that even allows these two pillars to exist in the first place.
And that, right there, is the ultimate result. This isn't just about building software. It's about creating entire universes. Smart Optimize and Amar Collective are just two different expressions of the exact same core vision. One of them increases your revenue and efficiency, and the other one increases your personal depth and connection.
So this leaves us with one last big thought to chew on. We've seen this powerful example of AI that's designed not to replace us, but to free us. So if this vision actually scales up, if AI can truly automate the ordinary for all of us, then the most important question isn't about the technology at all. It's about us. What will we choose to do with all of that freedom?